Another unique botanical adaptation is waiting for us in Africa. The baobab decorate the savannas of the continent. We can find this tree throughout the humid tropical equatorial area, from the south of the Sahara to southern Africa. Africa is the paradise of these curious trees. Here, the trunk of the baobab measures up to 12 meters in diameter, which is very different from other American and Asian species, which never reach such splendor. Its curious shape is unmistakable. Its trunk looks like a bottle, and its treetop is similar to an umbrella. During the dry season, the baobab loses its leaves. Thus, its branches acquire a very strange appearance. They look like roots, which makes the tree look as if it was planted upside down. Elephants like to feed on the branches of the baobab. And if there are no leaves left, as in the dry season, they gouge the trunk with their large tusks, producing deep wounds. They need to separate the bark from the tree in order to quench their thirst with its pulpy interior, where the oldest baobabs store up to 120,000 liters of water. It seems as if the baobab exists so that everyone can benefit from it. Humans use the bark to make ropes, and the leaves to make medicine. It is not surprising that elephants, giraffes, monkeys, tree hyraxes, and rodents include this tree in their diet. Even certain birds eat the leaf buds. In fact, these trees are inhabited continuously. Mammals, reptiles, and even amphibians take refuge in the holes in their trunks, while big predators make nests in their cozy treetops or use them as lookout posts. Although its leaves fall off during the dry season, its fruit ripens. It is known as monkey bread and is about 50 centimeters long. Its pulp can be used to make a refreshing drink. The baobab reigns in the savanna. The protective shade of this ancient tree, which provides food and drink for the animals, shelters its visitors during the hottest time of the day, while at its base, life continues its course. If we want to see a giant plant that is able to float on water, we have to penetrate the Amazon jungle. Hidden among lagoons and pools, the Victoria regia is found, a giant water lily whose leaves are as wide as 2 meters in diameter. Other water lilies can barely support a light jacana, while these colorful water plants can support the weight of a person without breaking. That's a major achievement of natural engineering, given that their rib structure is filled with air, which enables them to float. The edges of the leaves are turned upwards and create a thorny fold. Their flowers are similar to other water lilies and give off a pleasant fragrance. These flowers change color during the day. They turn from white to rose as the sun begins to set. Although there are not many of them, they are widely distributed throughout the Guyana highlands, Peru, Bolivia, and Brazil. We also find the Aracea species in the Americas.